In this problem, we have to find the modulus and the principal value of the amplitude of the complex number. Here two complex numbers are given. Okay. We going to the main problem. First we see the result we use here. We know that the polar form of complex number as z, this is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. What is r? R is the value. This is said to be modulus of z. This is denoted by mod z, and this is r, and it is always greater than 0. Okay. And the principal value of the amplitude is the angle theta. This theta. When we write a complex number in this form, then theta is the principal value of amplitude, where the value of theta must be in the range minus pi less than theta less than pi. Okay, that is, if we take this is real axis and this is imaginary axis as y axis, then theta is from minus pi to pi. This is minus pi, this is minus pi, and this is 0, and this is pi. Right? This type of angle is taken. This is the principal value of theta. Now we try to represent this complex number in the form of polar form of complex number. We write z, this is equal to 1 plus I into sin theta by cos theta, and this is given by 1 by cos theta into cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. Here the given range, this is very important, pi by 2 less theta less pi. That is, the theta, angle theta is given in the range of this pi by 2 to pi. Okay, this is pi by 2 and this is pi, and we write this is sec theta, this is cos theta plus I sin theta. We know that in the second quadrant, that is in the range of theta, this is the quadrant of sin theta, or we say that sec theta is negative here. Okay, and if we compare this value with the modulus value of the complex number, then it must be positive. Okay, otherwise it is not represent the modulus of z. So we take here extra minus, this is minus sec theta. Now it is represent the modulus of the given complex number, right? And this minus is adjusted by here taking one another minus. This is minus cos theta plus I sin theta. Here also minus given. Okay. Now minus sec theta, this is actually positive because sec theta is negative in this range, and we can write this result as cos of pi minus theta. This is minus cos theta, and here we write minus I sin, this is pi minus theta, because sin pi minus theta, this is sin theta. Okay, and now we write minus sec theta into cos of theta minus pi we write. Okay, because cos of minus theta, this is equal to cos theta. So there is no change of sign here, but here is positive I into sin theta minus pi, because sin of minus theta, this is equal to minus sin theta. Okay. Now we test this angle represent principal amplitude or not. If this angle in the range of minus pi to pi, then it is obviously represent the principal amplitude. Here the range of theta is this, and we have to find the value of theta minus pi. So it is clear that here we write theta minus pi, this is less than pi minus theta, this is pi by 2 minus theta. Sorry, this is pi by 2 minus pi. We subtracted pi from 3 position, and this is given by minus pi by 2. This is theta minus pi, and this is also pi, because we subtracted pi from 3 sides. This is 0. Okay, and it is clear that this range in between this, because minus pi less than minus pi by 2 less than theta minus pi less than 0 less than pi. So we obviously say that theta minus pi for this complex number represent the principal amplitude, and minus sec theta is the modulus. So we get mod z, this is equal to minus sec theta, and amplitude amp z, this is equal to theta minus pi. Okay, these are the answer of the first problem. Okay, and the second problem is your homework, and write the answer of the second problem in comment box. Okay, try it in similar manner, and this is also similar problem as the one, and this is very easy problem for this, and this is very important problem or important topic of the complex number. Okay, thank you for watching.